Hey guys, it's Chris with marketingcm.com. Welcome back to another great video. Today I'm gonna show you two apps for both Android and iOS that you can use, take photos, submit and make money. One of them will pay you 20% per sale and the other one will pay you 50% per sale, but I will explain everything in just a bit. Before we go ahead and start this video, as always, if you haven't already and this is your first time on my channel, make sure you go ahead and click the subscribe button following the right side of this video, because I'm sharing videos on how you can make money and you can follow as well to make money. And make sure you click the subscribe button next to it, because I would like you to receive notifications when I release a video. So with no further ado, let's go ahead and show you what I'm talking about today. Two apps, guys, that you can use just by taking pictures with your phones, submit them and get paid. First of all, the first website I'm going to show you and the first app I'm going to show you is called mepic.co. The link is going to be listed below, so you can get everything from there, guys. And what you're going to be doing with these guys, you're going to be submitting your photos. They're going to create a profile in the gallery for you, and these guys, based on the photos that you're going to submit, they're going to use your photo and your galleries to share the art and create different products. As you can see, take your likes to the next level. Just upload and tag your art. We'll check the resolution and only show the products you are imaging will look great on, retain the best print quality, and they print it on different things. So you can see they can do it on shirts, leggings, posters, tables, and different kind of products. Sell your art as beautiful products handmade by lovely people in UK. Preview how they will look and share on social media. So you can see a small preview. You become the designer, and this is the interesting part. You can get 20% commission for every single sale that is done based on your photos. So you will take photos, guys, you'll submit it, and these guys will take care of everything. All you need to do is just submit your photo. These guys will arrange everything. They're just going to make sure that the quality is good enough in order to make printouts like this guy with the t-shirt or any of the products here. They will arrange the creation of product, shipping out the product and everything, and you're only gonna be getting the good part, which is the 20% commission per sale. So if you have a nice photo and it's gonna be selling a lot, by just submitting the photo, you're gonna be getting 20% of each product, guys, and you're gonna get paid by using the app. Everything goes to your PayPal account. You can withdraw at any time with the app. So it's really nice. If you are good with taking photos with your phone, why not? These guys also create amazing traffic by submitting and bringing traffic to your profile or your gallery. What is called, this is going to be calling your gallery, and they're going to help you even promoting with links, or they're going to drive gallery towards the promotional marketing they do. So it's really, really nice. All you need to do is just take nice photos and submit it. And for each product is going to be sold, you're getting 20% commission, which I think is fantastic. So the other one I'm going to show you guys is called fob.com, and you're going to be getting paid for, again, submitting your videos or photos, and you can use iOS or Android device to download. You can use this. Again, the links is listed below, guys, so you can use both apps by clicking the links I'm going to share below, and simply upload your videos and photos and earn money. And when a brand agency or just anyone who finds your work outstanding purchases a video or a picture from your online phone portfolio, we share the profit with you 50-50. Sounds good, guys? I think it's amazing. Really, really simple. Each one of us has a unique opportunity to be in different countries, places, and so on. Even when your daily life is there, even while you're driving your car, and there might be a nice opportunity for taking a photo from an angle from, I don't know, the sun comes a little bit weird with the clouds, or you are just happen to be in a place that it's worth a picture, and this picture may be worth hundreds or thousands when you submit it to these apps. So this is what I want to show you. Go ahead, give it a shot. It's very easy. All you need to do is use your phone, take some photos, submit them, and you're gonna get paid based on the demand the photos has. I hope you enjoyed the content of this video, guys. If you did, don't forget to click the thumbs up. Give it a shot, guys. I would like you to give it a shot and let me know how it goes for you. You can make some decent money out of it. And if you want, my #1 recommendation is listed below. You can go ahead and give it a shot and let me know how it goes. If you haven't already, make sure you click the subscribe button. Let's make some money together. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day, guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.